Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com, and we have another request. And this time it is homemade vegan Italian spiced sausages. On the recent hot dog video, it was requested for an Italian sausage. It just so happens that I've already made one on my blog, so I've taken that recipe and I'm going to feature it in a video. For the ingredients, you'll want some white beans of choice, some finely diced onion, minced garlic, or if you don't have it, you can use granulated garlic, which is what I'm going to do today. Then some finely chopped mushrooms, as well as a congealed flax mixture. I've got 4 tablespoons of water with a tablespoon of flax coming together, a little more water than usual since we need it in the recipe. Then some oats, corn flour, and tamari soy sauce, or if you want to go soy-free, then coconut aminos. I can't get that out. And then some rice vinegar. And then an arrangement of spices. We've got paprika, cayenne, salt, pepper, allspice, and red pepper flakes, and then sage, oregano, and basil. And then you'll also want a gum to hold it all together, either a xanthan or a guar gum, or you could even probably use a psyllium husk. It's just working as our glue. That's everything that you're gonna need. To get going, just plop everything in a big bowl. I've got one here. There's our beans. Then I've got the onion and garlic. Then I've got the mushroom, the flax mixture, then the oats, corn flour. If you don't do corn flour, you can use another flour. All the spices. And then I've got the soy sauce, or you could use the other options, and the rice vinegar. So that's everything. And then you just want to mash that all together. You can use your preferred weapon of choice. You could probably use a food processor, just try not to get it overmixed. And you're just going to want to mix this all together until there's not too many chunks remaining, and you can squeeze it and hold it together. Once my mixture came together and I could easily pinch it, I rolled it up, and you want to line your foil with some parchment paper and then roll them into little logs after they've been shaped into sausages, and then tie the ends off like a little Tootsie Pop. And then take that and put it over boiling water and steam it for about 30 minutes. Depending on the size, they may need to go a little bit longer. I did find the thicker ones did have to go a little bit longer, so just keep an eye on that. The house smells absolutely fantastic. We can't wait. We're gonna go ahead and have some dinner. It smells so good. We put it in a bun with a little ketchup, mustard, and some sauteed onions and peppers. This is also wonderful in my zuppa toscana recipe, or anywhere you want an Italian spiced sausage. We used to love to get the Tofurky link, so this is a great alternative that you can make at home. And if you need a soy-free version, here you go. So give it a little taste. Just delicious. Even before you cook it, and I tasted it a little bit, and it tastes really good. The flavors just jump through, and the consistency is fantastic. Oh, it's a winner. I know you'll love it. Go to artisticvegan.com to get the recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mm-hmm.